Hello, my name is Andy Leung, and welcome to the SDSN demo. In this demo, we are going to show a typical network environment that includes a firewall as a gateway and a aggregation switch and the access switch. Now we have a client connecting to one of the access switch, and they will, they're able to use the internet access. Um, In our demonstration, we will show that the client will try to access a command control center or access a malware file. So what happened is Sky ATP will be able to detect the information and send it to the security director. So what happened is through the policy enforcer, we are able to block the internet gateway, firewall, and also the access switch. So which is the SDSN's architecture. Okay, and what happened is when we move this client to another switch, and he is trying to access the internet through another path, the policy director will find out that this is the same client that has been infected. And in fact, we will continue to block and this client's access to the network and also as well as going out to the internet. All right. So let's start our demonstration environment, right? So we will launch a desktop, and you can see that well, we can actually go out to the internet um, right now, and this is our, default IP address is on the 10.16, right? So this is on the 10.16 network. We can ping, right, um, outside to the internet. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we will open up the browser, and we have all these malware sites, and we're going to use one of them. And we're trying to, for example, access it, one of these sites. Now, as soon as I access the site, right, you can see I'm not able to access the network anymore. And we will actually start seeing, there is a timeout, when we try to ping the outside network. So try to refresh this website. Yeah, they should be blocked, right? So you can see it's not able to connect to this website. Okay. Okay. So for example, yeah, so I'm not able to go out. Now, if we examine the information by going to the Juno space, so we can log into the Juno space and go to our security director. Um, if we go to monitoring and the threat prevention host, you can see that now our this IP address is now blocked. Okay, and the state is open, so we have resolved it. So this is blocked. The other thing we can see is from the SRX console, and we can actually show the infected status. And this is the same information we have. Um, and if we look at the status, yeah, So you can see, we start, find out there's a category called CC. And now another place we can check is the 8-Sky ATP portal, right? So if we log into the 8-Sky ATP portal, so you can also can see, there is a IP address being blocked. Okay, so let's just wait a little bit. Okay, so you can see on the top, there's the IP address, and we can actually drill into it. Um, you can tell, there is hitting a CC list, and we also, you can see the host name and then also the switch port being bought in here. So if you remember the picture we showed earlier, right now, we brought here and we brought here as well. Okay, so we can look into the switch and we can show this is a firewall. Now we have a firewall filter um, inside here. Now on the other hand, in the in the other um, switch right now, basically we don't have any firewall, right? And if you can show firewall, well, there's nothing. Okay. So what happened right now? We are going to um, switch this network to another link, right? We turn down this link and we turn up the other link. Okay. So we want to switch, this one and the other one. So let's do okay, look. And okay, now this one is down and this one's up. So essentially, what we can do is we will change the IP address on this one, right? If you look at this, we renew the IP address on this one. Um, mm, okay, and we do the stop DHCP. Okay, if you do the IP config again, you can see now we are onto the 11 network, right? So essentially, what happened is now this one is trying to connect to the other network to go out to the internet, right? And so we're going to do some traffic here, right? We're going to start some traffic here, and we're going to ping. Okay. So after a while, the traffic goes out, policy manager will detect, and what happened is um, now we are able to block, this host again, and you can see that if I try to renew the address, um, it basically stopped. Or we'll just do this. Not able to go to the website again, right? Um, so and if we go to the Sky ATP and refresh it again, reload the page, we can see that now the switch port has become the EX422B, 4200B. And if we go to the SRX again, um, we can find the 42AA filter is gone, but we have a new filter on the 42BB switch. Okay, so essentially, once it's trying to go out, policy enforcer, recognize the MAC address of the client, and we're able to block, this machine to go out to the network or go to the internet again, right? So that will conclude our demo for today. Thank you very much.